This is an original Christmas song I wrote a little while back. Working title is Blow Ye Wind, although I think I'm going to change it in the final form. The title will be Desert Wind. Blow ye cold desert wind, stealing over Bethlehem, whispering word of him who nestles in the hay. Shepherds keeping watch at night, cloaks around their shoulders tight, against the cold black velvet night await the break of day. They don't know that on this morn a very special child is born, who will take this world forlorn and sweep its sins away. They just marvel at the sight of heavenly choirs and stars' bright light, heedless of the baby's plight, the price we'll have to pay. In the night a baby's cry, a mother sings a lullaby. Her husband keeping watch nearby considers what has passed, while in the distant Orient 3 kings observe in wonderment the sign that a great covenant has been fulfilled at last. This new wind that sweeps the land, many will not understand, nor the role in heaven's plan, the die that has been cast. So the king with heart as cold as ice, keep his throne at any price, initiates a sacrifice, it will not be the last. Who's this child, this innocent, this woman's son, and does she realize her baby is the chosen one? Can she tell me, oh, can she say, can anyone, how many lives he will have changed before he's done with what he has begun? In this desert town, a seed is sown in time where the wind is blown. The baby's name will be well known as Jesus, King of Kings. Where once in awe they spoke his name, and heavenly choirs his birth proclaimed. By crueler breath he'll be defamed, to die for those who sin. Cry out, wind of the multitudes, who hear his call, of souls uplifted, of nations rise and kingdoms fall. Proclaim how he will be exalted over all, for saving us from all our sins and dreadful cause, by dying on the cross. Mary from her bed does rise, wipes the sleep out of her eyes, ponders what was prophesied upon the desert wind.